Today's project name is Brian on Base. As you can see their link, I will give this link in the description of video so you can click there to come to this website. Meet Brian, which is the unstoppable green defense on the base chain network, and it is a true JIT which is crushing machine. It is powered by the team of the Deep Experience. It is to bring the game which is changing the meta to the Web3. Brian is not just only a meme coin, but it is the force of the nature which is crashing into space and lives on the X. As you can see, this is the contract address and you can click here to copy into your clipboard. And among the official partners there are the Index Screener, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and the Pancake Swap and Pink Sale as well. And further we can see some of their latest memes. You can see all of the memes are available on their Telegram. I will show you in the later part of the video. Here is an amazing strategy. You can win the Tesla model from the Brian team. So the Brian team is making the big moves. So when the Brian coins hits the 25 million market cap, so they are giving away the brand new Tesla model to the one lucky holder. So yes, in order to participate into that lucky holder, you have to accumulate 50,000 Brian coins and you have to hold them. And after that you will earn the chance to win and the participate into the lucky draw. So the more you hold, so the better the chances you will have to win the lucky draw. So in this way you can stack your Brian coins and you can watch the market cap and you can grow steadily in this way. Further you can watch this video as well. They have explained very well in this video, so you can open and play the video, and they have provided the whole complete post on this lucky chance to win the Tesla model. So you can read this Twitter post and you can check about that video which is available on their Twitter platform. And further if we go back, we can see that you can learn about the whole Brian token, how it works and how you have to connect the wallet and how you have to purchase. So for that you have to download the Coinbase wallet app and then you have to add the Brian tokens into your coin wallet. So in order to do so, you can also watch the video which is available on their YouTube channel. So you can watch this video and you can learn how the Brian token works, how you have to download the base wallet and how you will add the Brian tokens into your base wallet. So in this way you can play the video and you can watch completely about the whole process. So if you go back, we can see that about the tokenomics, they have the 1 billion token allocated and created right now. So they have 1 billion tokens which have been created right now. Among them 28 million have been burned and 972 million total supply is available right now. Their contract is renounced and liquidity is burned. So there is the step-by-step process how you can buy the Brian tokens. So first of all you have to download the Coinbase wallet app. So after downloading the Coinbase wallet app, you can easily purchase the Brian coin and you can easily manage your crypto portfolio in one place. And after that, after you have buy the Brian coin, you can join the future of the decentralized finance. And lastly, the last step is you have to hold and grow. So once you have buy the Brian coin, so which is the best coin on the base, so now you have to hold and you have to grow your investments. And if we look at the utilities of this Brian coin, so we can see that it has the committed developers and loyal holders. It also provides the leveraging AI features and growing ecosystem, social presence, partnerships and the community engagement as well. So we can read more about each of the utilities of this platform. For example, if we look at the partnership, so it is partnershiping with the leading influencers and the companies in order to boost the visibility and the adoption and delivering increased value and exclusive benefits to the coin holder. Further you can again see about the Tesla new model. So there is the detail how you can participate and you can win the Tesla model. And further if we go down, so we can see there are some of the frequently asked questions. For example, how you can use the meme generator. So it is available on their Telegram. So all you have to do is to search the Brian AI bot and you have to add into your group. So after you have added, so you can easily generate a lot of the memes. So I will show you in a moment. So if we go to their Telegram, so you can see this is their Telegram channel. They also have the Telegram group as well. So if we look inside their Telegram group, we can see there are a lot of memes have been created by them. So if you are a meme lover who loves to watch the memes and who loves to enjoy the memes, so this is the platform definitely for you. So you can see engaging and the amazing memes which have been generated by them. So in this way you can also do the same. You can enjoy the memes and you can also make the big profits and the big returns as well. So this was all about this Telegram group. So let me show you their Twitter account right now. So they have the verified account as you can see here as well. And if we go down, we can see all of their latest posts, their engagement, what they are posting and how they are engaging with the community. So you can see all of their announcements as well. So in this way you can keep in touch with them and you can know all of the latest updates which are coming from this platform. So this was all about this Brian coin. I hope you have liked this project. So don't forget to to download the base network, and then you have to add the Brian coins. In this way you can stack and you can gather the much and more Brian coins, and you can have the chance to participate in the lucky draw in order to win the Tesla model car. So that's all from this video. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.